Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Chainlink, seeing what's going on. I got the request here because we just took some profits on our trade we took 2 days ago for Chainlink, and it's looking pretty good here, folks. I think there's a decent chance we could see a continuation. Holding very strong above this 0.618 fib level, and just in general, it's looking like we might consider additional profits. So far, 22% up on a 5x leverage trade. We took that 2 days ago. Congrats on our ICP short at 17%. Once again, that is just a 5x leverage trade, and we did short Bitcoin at 43,100. We're currently in profit there on a 10x short. So again, kind of going different directions with a few things, and that's okay to do. We're hedging our longs with some shorts and just making sure that we take profit in either direction. Not getting too crazy with low leverage. They're all very likely to hit their targets, and still no invalidations yet. Even with Filecoin, we're bouncing off that 0.618 fib level. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below, and consider joining our trading community. Actually, it's really cool. Getting a lot of good feedback on those videos, so I'm happy that's working well for a lot of folks. And just generally speaking, make sure that you pay close attention to our signals guide if you're considering becoming a member. If you do not read through here, you're doing yourself a disservice. You have to read this so you know how to properly maximize your potential with my swing trades and, of course, my day trades too. Okay, I have an automated day trading bot that runs 24/7, and my swing trades are pretty consistent as well. Usually 1 or 2 signals per day, depending on the market. Lately, a little less, just because there's a lot of uncertainty with Bitcoin. We want to make sure we confirmed bearish. So far, we are, unless we break above 43,000 for Bitcoin. That's not why we're here. Just throwing it out there. Okay, so Chainlink daily time frame. What are we looking at? Let's quickly note a couple things here. First of all right, so just get a baseline. We're above all moving averages. That's awesome. Very few coins can say that right now. We're above 50 on the RSI. Same thing as well. Not a lot of coins can say that. Money flow index is high. Stochastic RSI swinging upwards. MACD converging. Literally every single reason why a long position is more viable than a short, and to be very, very careful shorting this coin. Okay. Furthermore, on the 4-hour time frame, we could probably see a very similar circumstance. We're starting to taper off a little bit with stochastic RSI, letting us know we may be at our short, tentative top. Makes sense, of course. We rejected off the 1650 mark, or very close to that, or the top of this ascending trend line too. So truth is, a pullback would make sense, but how far of a pullback, we'll find out. For right now, we can see that MACD is diverging a little bit, but still pretty strong, and the money flow index and RSI are above 50. Perfectly fine. Till we break below 50, I'm not concerned whatsoever. Again, natural pullbacks occur all the time. Okay, so we're really in a good place right now for this coin. Take a look at TD sequential. We are up at a 6. Hypothetically, we got another 16 to 24 hours of continuation. Moving averages all below the price action. Again, not a reason to short into this coin. Most recent high also working as a new low. Okay, so again, this level here, I believe it is a 0.618. Yep, 0.618 fib at 1560 is a strong support level. Decent little pivot point there. Again, keep in mind, Bitcoin sells off, comes down to the 41,000 range. Different story altogether. We will see a retracement that's a lot harder. That could invalidate this uptrend, or just in general shift gears. We'll see, obviously, if that happens. Between now and then, though, we're confirming bullish on most time frames. Let's double check the hourly. We just hit an overextended state. We're consolidating now. We had this nice little wick up there to take a profit earlier today. And if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, we're still above the cloud. All green lights to consider leaving your long position open with this coin. Okay. I got the question, do I take a long position now if I missed my missed entry? It's up to you, honestly. There is still confirmation that the price should continue to go up, but there's no guarantees. And honestly, I like to recommend not jumping into a trade if you missed the entry. And we've already hit our first target, just because most of what I do here is focused on hitting our first couple of targets. And if we miss our second, that's all well and good. We've taken a majority of our profit on our first. So my goal is to ultimately always hit target 1. Targets 2 through 5 are, kind of secondary priority, because we do take profit mostly on our first target. Again, keep in mind, if you're not reading our signals guide, you wouldn't know that. I talk about specific strategies. I'd recommend 70% on your first target. You can choose what you want. It's up to you. But if you do not take profit, you're never going to be profitable. Okay. Try not to be the person that just tries to hold until target 5 and never gets filled because you got too greedy. All right. Profits need to be taken. Okay. That's pretty much where we're at there. The only thing else we could really confirm here is the CC Golden indicator, kind of letting us know we do have a confirming buy signal here and a recent sell signal. If we look at the 15, we can also see multiple buy signals here at this point at the 1580 mark or higher. Okay. So again, we are confirming that the price should continue higher. Is that a guarantee? No. If Bitcoin drops, totally different story altogether. But Chainlink has proven to do well, contrary to Bitcoin. We kind of put this next to it, if you will. It does look a lot different. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Chainlink looks better than Bitcoin, right? Yeah, all the more reason to not short that coin. Okay, I know, folks. You see it online. I'm going to short this coin because it's overextended. Don't trust that. Overextensions mean nothing in these bullish trends, and right now Chainlink is proven to be very bullish. Okay, that's the way it goes. Last but not least, extremely important if you're in a KYC required country, US, Canada, etc., join one of the best exchanges possible. Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, healthy rewards. You use my link to register. You also have to use my link to register if you want to be available for this competition, but this is active right now until the end of the month. Check it out. Just some free extra funds just for doing what you normally do. It should not incentivize you to trade more. I don't want you to do that. I just want you to be able to trade and have a good time. You can have fun with trading if you're making money. It sucks when you're not making money, but truth is we're highly successful in our group. And if you want part of that, maybe you want to consider joining. If not, that's cool too. I totally get it. Learn what you can from these videos. That's the whole takeaway here, is to ensure that I teach you how to fish, not give you fish. All right? I don't have a lot of fish anyways. That's not really my thing. I fished a lot when I was a kid, but that's a different story. Right now, I just want you to kind of focus on maximizing your risk tolerance and making sure that you're in good shape with your trades. Okay, only trade what you're willing to lose, and just generally speaking, make sure you're in a good position there. Quickly to note here, we did also just take our profit. There we go, nice profit from Matic. That is a Matic short at 20%. That just triggered 1 minute ago. Perfect stuff. All right, folks. Again, cleaning house here. All good. Trust me. Follow the signals, trust the signals. We're good. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.